Alright guys, welcome to the Monday Directions video. Last day of working on our project today, so if you're at home today, just make sure you finish up the earthquake project and turn it in by tomorrow. It's due tomorrow at 8 a.m. So last day of work on it is today. Last day of talking about earthquakes. Tomorrow we're going to move on to volcanoes, but today we're just working on the project. So make sure you get the project accomplished today if you're working at home. And one of the last steps we're going to be doing is the citation machine piece that we did in our paper. Because again, you do need 3 MLA citations for your project. So again, the website we use is called Citation Machine. You can just Google that and it pops up. And so I'm just going to give you an example here on one of them. So let's say this is my article that I had that's going to help me out. Well, it's really easy with the citation machine. All we do is we just copy the link, go over to the citation machine, and we got to make sure we're doing it right. So I want to create a citation. I'm using a website right now, so I'm going to click on that because this is important because, like we said before, there's different formats and there's different ways to do it depending on what type of source you use. The website's obviously the easiest one to use because you just basically copy and paste. You'll search it. Hopefully it's real. It is. Perfect. And now we just click Cite, and it does all the work for us. Yep. Just keep clicking Continue. We're not going to have to add anything. Sounds good. Let's complete that citation. There it is. There's my citation. It's already in the right format, right? It has that hanging look. And then all I do is scroll over it. Once you scroll over it, you can click Copy Citation, and it's right there. And then I'll just copy and paste that into my reference slide, or just put on a piece of paper and put on the back of my poster. Again, just making sure that all 3 of my MLA citations are in alphabetical order, so I'm not losing any silly points like that. But that's the last step, guys, normally, is just getting our references down on our reference page, and that's all we should hopefully be doing today. For some of you guys that maybe are a little behind, maybe you'll have to kind of do the citations a little bit later. Like tonight is what I'm trying to refer to. But that's basically it, guys. Working on the project today, finishing up, putting the citations down on a piece of paper or down in our slides to make sure we get credit for that. And then tomorrow, if you're a Tuesday, Thursday person, we'll be doing earthquake notes, or volcano notes, excuse me. And obviously, if you're a Monday, Wednesday person, tomorrow you will be watching the notes and kind of following along that way. All right, guys, that's it. Good luck working on the project. Again, due tomorrow at 8 a.m. And obviously, another quick reminder to check in right now. Some things about the check-in thing. If you are not on my list as a distance learning person, you do not have that icon that tells me that you're supposed to be at home. And you check in from home, I'm going to have to still mark you unexcused. So maybe if that happens to you, call the school to have them change your status, your online status to distance. If you don't check in during the actual hour that you're supposed to check in, like let's say you're supposed to be here 3rd hour, but you don't say here, you don't check in until 6th hour or 5th hour, well, that's still unexcused because you're, 4 hours late. So make sure you're actually checking in at the right time. I don't care if you check in before your hour. I just can't have you checking in after your hour. All right, guys. Talk to you later. See you guys tomorrow.